Used XAMPP as my web server package. It includes APEC server and MySQL database. I built my form using HTML, the front end, and the PHP for the back end. And the table I have selected is member from my 7.2 task. I used this table, and before inserting, here is the table in PHP my admin. So you can see it state straight and unsuccessful insert. I will leave the member ID as 0, and I'm going to add my name and my last name, just a random email, and I'm going to add the join date as today and status I'm remaining it as active, and yeah. So when I click the insert button, you can see there's an error, missing required fields. So let me check the my PHP my admin. I'm going to refresh this, and here in the member table, when I refresh the member table in PHP admin, no new record has been added. The successful insert. For that, I'm going to add the member ID as number 1, and just first name and then the last name, and email, and the join date. Okay. Now, after clicking the insert button, you can see the new member inserted successfully. So when I return to the PHP my admin page, and I'm going to refresh that, in here inside of the member table, I can see the data I have created through that user interface now has been recorded in inside of the member table. In addition to the SIT103, I am also studying SIT120, which is responsive web apps. In that unit, I am learning how to design web pages by using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to make them responsive and user-friendly. Those skills help me to structure this form clearly so that it works well for inserting data. So this is my HTML file, index HTML file. It contains the form with input fields for each column in member table, member ID, first name, last name, email, like that. And at the bottom is insert, which sends the data to the PHP file. I insert member PHP file at the top. It connects to the MySQL database, and then it validates that all required fields are provided. If the field is missing, it shows an error. You can see it in here, and does not insert anything. If the data is valid, it runs an SQL insert inquiry to add the record into the member table, and then displays a successful message.